Hello, hello, hello. I'm Alucard Night Raven. Welcome to my channel, and welcome to my next upgrade review. And today we're looking at DNA Design DK-32 upgrade kit for Studio Series Slug, aka Slag. And it's not a very big kit. There really isn't much to this. I'm not going to worry about transforming him into his Dino mode. I'm just going to keep him in robot mode, because I can show off everything that this kit is. But we're going to be really delving into this together. So let us take a look at our box. Of course, you can see image of Studio Series Slug, DK-32, SS86, 7 upgrade kit, upgrade kits on the top, upgrade kit on the bottom, barcode and words and stuff on this side, same image as the front. On this side, same thing, DNA Design, and on the back we have showing what's in the kit. So let us open it up and take a look. So we have our instructions for everything, and set that off to the side. And now I'll move this off to the side as well, and we will take a look at everything in here. So we got this piece, and you can see what this piece is, and it does So what this is we actually can remove this part here. Remove this part of the tail. We should be able to, or we can. Oh, there we go. Get all this back together. Alright, there we go. And essentially what we do now with this is going to go in, looks like, kind of like, yeah, like this. So I'm going to push it together, and it sort of becomes a shield, which is cool, neat, different. But yeah, so he could hold it. I'm not big on it, honestly. There's only certain things that I really wanted in this set. I have a better set on the way, personally, but yeah, he can hold it. Of course, once he can get it in his hand. Yeah. Oh, yay, it's a shield. It's a shield. Oh boy. See, I don't really like that personally. Now, another thing we can do is pop these out, and you can see, if you want, pop them in. Oh, wrong one. This one goes here. And yeah, you can have the red horns. Again, I have a better set along the way, personally. So parts of this, like I said, I'm not too keen on really using, but pull this out. I'll put his tail back, then we'll sort of push all this, put all this back on. I think it went a specific way. Did it? Did it not? No, it did not. Maybe it did. Oh. There we go. There we go. So yeah, so there's that. Then of course, he's got his sword. Very, very nice looking sword. Really liking that. Of course, in Dino mode, could plug it on here to store it. Yeah, same thing with like this piece could plug it on. But we can, of course, give him his sword. There we go. There he is holding his sword. Looks really good. I like it. I like him having his sword. And of course the final bit, well, final 2 bits, is we have Daniel in his exosuit, and it can stand pretty nicely as well. And he can hold this little gun that comes in the kit. Whoops. Which I don't remember seeing him use a gun, but it's, I mean, who knows? But yeah, there he is holding this gun. And then he can also transform. So with that, what we're going to do is going to fold this up like this. We want to sort of fold these pieces up and in like this as little heels. And then, come on, there we go. Push them in, push it in, and then we can tab it all together right there. Rotate it like that. Sort of keep it like that for the moment. And do this now, because otherwise the arms will get in the way, but sort of rotate this, I think. No, the head doesn't move. But rotate the canopy here. And then there's this little piece in here, right here. And you want to get that to rotate. And sometimes you may have to sort of get a fingernail or something in there. And then with that in, you can plug it in like that. And everything just fits in like that. So same thing here, just sort of rotate it with your finger as best you can. And then there we go. And then the gun plugs in right here. And there is the exosuit in its little vehicle mode. It's not bad. I mean, it is a good take. It is definitely better than what came with Slug. Definitely like how compact it gets. I mean, doesn't look exactly like it did, but it's decent. Like, it is a decent take. I mean, it looks really good. I think it's going to look good next to the official Studio Series one that we got of Spike. But not bad at all, and I do like it. They really did a nice job of the engineering with this. So yeah, so we'll get this out of vehicle mode quick, and again we gotta rotate all of this around. Come on. You gotta watch about popping it out. Rotate all this around. There's that one. Same thing with this one. Rotate it. Rotate it. Rotate this. And rotate at the waist. Bring it all down. Rotate out the heel. Rotate out the heel. Rotate out the feet. And then there we go. Again, not bad. Honestly, not bad at all. The gun, it's interesting because he didn't have a gun that I remember, other than the like weapons that transformed on the exosuit. But that was about it. So it is what it is. There we go. So there is the DNA Design DK-32 upgrade kit for Studio Series Slug. And not a bad kit, and it's not a bad price on the kit either. I think it was like 20 to 22 or 23. Like it for their usual prices on their kits, this was not badly priced, honestly. So yeah, I think that is going to be it for me. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you all later.